What's up, Journey More? Today we're going to be looking at how to pack a pack for a day hike. So not what you're going to bring. You can go watch another video on that, see what and why I bring on a day hike, but actually how to put it in the pack to make sure that your hike is the most enjoyable, most comfortable that it can be.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now.
First thing I'm going to do is the big pocket is that main piece that's going to be touching that lumbar of your spine because it goes the deepest. So I'm going to put bigger, softer things down there. For example, like an Eno or a hammock. So I'm just going to slide that in there, make sure it's nice and smooth because I want that straight back right here. After that, I'm just going to be putting in some bigger things beyond that, on top of those things that I know that I'm going to use throughout the hike that I'm probably going to need at one point. So I'm going to throw that in there. Then from there, I'm going to be thinking about what am I going to put, what am I going to need, what I'm going to use throughout the day. And so I want to make sure that I'm just being practical with it. There's a lot of different small things here, and I'm going to make sure that I go with a pocket that has some extra mesh sleeves, some extra zippers. That way all of this doesn't just jumble up in the bottom and I have to go digging for it. I'm actually thinking about where this stuff is and that I can get to it when I need it. Just makes things so much easier, so much more enjoyable. It's not rocket science, but it'll definitely make it better. So I'm thinking about that. I'm putting things in places that I know I can get to it. I know that it's going to be easy to remember where it is. Things like snacks, I'm definitely going to have in something that's accessible because I just want to be able to reach back there, grab it, and go. Toilet paper, bug spray, things like that, I'm going to be putting in a really accessible pocket as well because when you got to go, you got to go. Different things that are just kind of small that I know I might need, I'm just going to kind of throw it in the bigger pocket because I know for me, I'm probably not going to use the Eno. I might, but because it's just kind of up in the air, I can put stuff on top of that and it's fine. Different pockets like this that are just open. Maybe I need to grab rope because somebody's fallen off the cliff or they're hanging on, they've slipped, whatever it is. I've got it there. I can pull that out super quick, super easy. Water bottles, if you're bringing water bottles, put them in a side pouch. Don't throw them down in here because stuff like this is big, it's bulky, it can get turned, and then it'll be poking you in the back the whole time, and you just don't want that. So throw those in the side. I use a bladder, makes it easy, but that's how you do it. Just give it some thought, and it'll just make your hike better. So that's what this video is for, is just to make your experience better, for you to be thinking about those things. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think and what we need to be doing next. So we'll see you next time. Come journey more with us.